Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. So today we are going to discuss about the TypeScript intersection types. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. TypeScript intersection types. An intersection type combines two or more types to create a new type. Okay, so intersection types combines two or more types to create a new type that has all properties of the existing type. The type order is not important when you combine the types. So this is two basic points. In TypeScript, intersection types are a way to combine multiple types into single type. True, that includes all the properties and the methods of the constituent types. Okay, that the existing types, you can see. Intersection types are denoted using the and operator. They allow you to create new types that have the feature of the multiple existing types. Let's take an example, then you will get to know easily. So here you can see basic syntax. So this is type intersection type. Okay, so here we have type 1, type 2 and the type 2. This is the syntax, okay, to define that one. In this example, intersection type will include all the properties and the methods of type 1, type 2 and type 3. So let's first define the interface person, then interface employee. Okay, and then we are going to combine here with the person with and operator and employee. So this is person and this is employee, both interfaces combining the this is a syntax that we are using. So type employee person and the person and the employee. Okay, so here when I use employee person, so name should be a string, a should be a number, employee id and department. So you can see I'm going to use both the things over here, right? So in this example, the employee person type is an intersection of the person. So employee person, this one is an intersection of the person and the employee types. Both have the it's an intersection, right? It contains all the properties. It contains all the properties of both the types. Both types means person and the employee. Intersection types are particularly useful when working with the complex objects when you want to create a type that conforms of the multiple contracts simultaneously. They provide way to express the rich relationship between the types in a type safe manner. Keep in mind, while intersection type allow you to combine the properties and the methods from the multiple types, there can be a challenges when dealing with the conflicting property. Like you're defining the names would be the overlap something. Okay, so be careful on that note. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.